revered Secretary Mataji, revered Principal Mataji, and all other Matajis of the ashram, respected teachers, and my dear fellow students. My pranam and namaskar to you all. We have gathered here to celebrate one of the most special days of the year, Teachers' Day. This is a day to express our deep gratitude to the guiding stars of our lives, our dear teachers. We all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday because he was a great scholar, philosopher, and a respected teacher who deeply valued education. He believed that teachers play a very important role by educating the next generation. Therefore, his birthday, 5th September, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. To mark the beginning of our celebration, I would like to invite Secretary Mataji and Principal Mataji to light the ceremonial lamp. The lamp symbolizes the light of knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment that our teachers bring into our lives.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada.
Now I would like to invite our principal, Pravrajika Gyanapranam Mataji, to come and address us all.
Revered Secretary Mataji, other Matajis of the ashram, teachers and their children. Namaskar and a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Dear teachers, on this special day, I wish to express my deepest gratitude to each one of you. You all are the pillars that hold up this institution, the guiding stars of the academic journey of our students. Teaching at the foundational level is not just a job, it is a mission, it's a calling that requires a great deal of patience, creativity, and a passion for education. Thank you so much for transforming our school into a real Vidya Mandir, a temple of learning where minds are enlightened and hearts are inspired, where dreams are nurtured and talent is refined. It fills my heart with great pride to see that our students are in the hands of such dedicated, compassionate, and committed teachers. Dear teachers, never forget the profound impact you have on the lives of our students. You are not just educators, you are role models, mentors, and the architects of the future of our students. On this special day, I urge you to keep inspiring, keep motivating, and keep believing in the incredible potential of all your students. The seeds of wisdom, courage, and kindness that you plant today in their hearts will grow into the trees that will shade and shelter the entire world tomorrow. And your role in this is very important, because you have to create not just scholars and intellectuals, but good human beings with great hearts. And I am deeply grateful to each one of you for this. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
On behalf of the entire school, Joyita Das of grade 5 will come and perform a classical dance in order to pay tribute to all our gurus. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha
Now, our talented little ones from kindergarten are going to perform an enchanting English action song just to thank all our teachers. Let's welcome them.
Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. From the early morning to the setting of the sun, you look for creative ways to make our learning fun. Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. Thanks so much for caring, though we're driving you insane. Thanks so much for sharing all that knowledge in your brain. Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. Thank you!
Wow, that was really sweet. Thank you, little ones, for this cute performance. Now, Tanishka Yadav of KG will recite a poem in English for all our teachers. Let's hear her.
Good morning everybody. My name is Tanishka Yadav and I study in class KG. Today I am going to recite a poem on Teachers Day. Teachers Day has come. Let us celebrate. Let us wish them Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day has come. Let us celebrate. Let us wish them Happy Teachers Day. You are amazing, loving and caring. You are amazing, loving and caring. Be with us always to make us strong and bright. Be with us always to make us strong and bright. We thank you, teacher, for everything that you do. We thank you, teacher, for everything that you do. We love you, teacher, for everything that you give. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanishka. Now, Ananya Kumari of grade 5 will recite another poem.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अनन्या कुमारी है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है अध्यापिका। जब पहला पग पड़ा विद्यालय में, तब मैं कोरा पन्ना था। मुझे भी शिक्षा ग्रहण करके एक अच्छा इंसान बनना था। हाँ, साथ दिया मेरे शिक्षकों ने और सिखाई हर नई बात मुझे। अपनी लिखी कुछ पंक्तियों में मैं नमन करूँगी आज उन्हें। तेरे उपकारों को हे अध्यापिका जन्मों तक ना भूलेंगे। याद आएगी बहुत तुम्हारी जब हम कामयाबी का झूला झूलेंगे। संकल्प लेना सिखाते हो, संस्कारों का महत्व बताते हो। भटके हुए राही को तुम सफलता का मार्ग दिखाते हो। नज़र सब पर एक समान हो, ना कभी किसी में भेदभाव करके। अगर किसी नादान से गलती हो जाए तो सीख दिखाकर माफ़ कर देते हो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ananya Didi. As a token of our appreciation, we have lovingly prepared cards for all our gurus. We have also given titles to all our teachers. These cards are just a small reflection of the immense love, respect and admiration we hold for all our teachers. I request Yalda Didi to kindly come forward and read the messages on behalf of all the classes. Along with that, I request our principal Mataji and secretary Mataji to kindly come forward and hand over the gifts to all the teachers.
The mother figure, Secretary Mataji. Strong as a thunderbolt and soft as a pillar, our Principal Mataji. A beacon of compassion, Roli Didi. Guiding star in drama and music, Neela Didi. Friend of all, Sanchita Didi. Superstar educator, Rinki Didi. A great motivator, Chavi Didi.
The smile specialist, Taiba Didi.
Our guardian angel, Suman Didi.
The warmth of a mother and discipline of a father, Rita Didi.
Patience and gentleness personified, Sonia Didi. The loving angel, Payal Chabra Didi. Kindness queen, Indu Didi. Sugar and spice, all things nice, Payal Seth Didi. A blend of strength and serenity, Arshia Didi. An inspiring educator, Tamanna Didi. The dancing wonder, Tanushri Didi. The science wizard, it's me, Yalla Didi.
न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो, न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो। गमों का दौर भी आए तो मुस्कुरा के जियो, न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो, न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो। न जाने कौन सा पल मौत की अमानत हो, ना जाने कौन सा पल मौत की अमानत हो। हर एक पल की हर एक पल की खुशी को गले लगा के जियो, न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो। ओ गमों का दौर भी आए तो मुस्कुरा के जियो, न मुँह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो।
Let us remember that every day is an opportunity to express gratitude and respect to our teachers. On behalf of the entire Nivedita Vidya Mandir family, I thank our Secretary Mataji, Principal Mataji and all the teachers. To keep the day joyful for our teachers, we have organized a few fun activities which I am sure our teachers will enjoy a lot. I request Principal Mataji and all the teachers to stay back for the same. This will be done after the national anthem. I request everyone to kindly take position for the national anthem.
Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
I would like to thank everyone for their participation. Happy Teachers Day once again!